Let's see this question. We want to solve this equation, but the leading term is cubic term is x raised by 3. It's not quadratic. If it's quadratic, we could try to factor or to use a quadratic formula or completing a square. But this will have a cubic term. So with a cubic term, usually we want to make a difference of two cubes or sum of two cubes. So let's first move -10 to the other side. So we want to write x cubed minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. Because we want to make one side to be 0. Then we factor the other side. We can apply 0 property. Right. 0 property saying if we have two factors, multiply, this multiplication equals 0. That means either one can be 0 or both are 0. Okay. So now we have cubic term. So x cubed. Then we have this -9. Okay. Maybe we make difference of two cubes. Because we can write this as because 10, if we make this, so let's try, then we can adjust all the time. So we have 10. If we want to make this 18 plus 18, then that means we added 8, right? If we added 8, we have to minus 8. Okay, that would do it. Because 10 is 18 minus 8, and 8 is 2 cubed, right? It's 2 raised by 3. So we use this one. So x cubed minus 8, which is we read as minus 2 raised by 3. Then we have these two terms. So let me write one more step here, so not to confuse anybody. So we read it as x cubed minus 9x plus 18 minus 8 equals to 0. Now group those two. So that becomes x cubed minus 2 cubed. Then out of these two, we see -9 is a common factor. So we factor out -9. We have x minus 2. Right? Because -9 times -2 give us back positive 18. All right, difference of two cubes can be factored as x minus 2. X squared plus 2x plus 4. Then -9 times x minus 2. Okay, we have constructed a common factor of x minus 2. So this is a crucial step, solving equations like that. So then x minus 2 is a common factor, so we factor out. Then we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 from here. Then -9. Well, then by 0 property, x minus 2 might be 0. So we get x equals to 2. And then this one, we simplify, we have x squared plus 2x minus 5 is 0. So we can use completing square. So x plus 2x equals to 5. Then we add 1 on both sides. Then the left-hand side becomes x plus 1 squared. The right-hand side becomes 6. We square root both sides. So x plus 1 equals to positive, negative square root of 6. So whenever we square root, right, we get a positive, negative two values. Because think about it. -2 square is also positive 4. 2 square is positive 4. So when we square root of 4, it can be positive 2 or -2. That's why whenever we square root, we always get positive, negative two values. Right? So basically we just square root both sides. Got a positive, negative, square root 6. Now move 1 to the other side, becomes negative. So get x equals to -1 plus -6 minus square root of 6. So we have three solutions. Right? Rational solution, x equal to 2. Irrational solution coming in pairs. -1 plus radical 6, -1 minus radical 6. So that's how we solve this kind of equations.